Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting data and making recovery media. First, back up your important files to an external drive or cloud. Once done, create a Windows 10 USB installer using the Media Creation tool on another PC. Then reboot into BIOS or UEFI and set USB as primary boot device. When the installer appears, choose Repair Your Computer rather than Install. This takes you to recovery options, so you can run targeted fixes without overriding user files. Once in recovery, try Startup Repair to fix boot-related issues automatically. It often resolves file corruption that prevents Windows from starting. If problems persist, use System Restore to revert to a known good point, then boot into safe mode to confirm core services load. For deeper system file repair, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano. If that reports issues, follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. These steps repair corrupted system files and restore boot integrity. You finish by choosing Reset this PC if automated repairs and file fixes fail. Pick Keep My Files to preserve data, or remove everything for a clean slate, then follow prompts to reinstall Windows. After Windows is back, install chipset and storage drivers, then run Windows Update to apply patches. Make sure to restore user files from your backup. If issues continue, test hardware, run memory diagnostics, and a drive health tool, because persistent errors often point to failing RAM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.